Tired of dealing with drafts and water leaks, unnecessary service calls, and constant adjustments to keep a perfect seal around your door? The Z-Articulating Cap Sill from Endura Products is an entry door solution designed to address those everyday problems with your door sill. Your door sill is what maintains the seal between the bottom of your door and your home, but maintaining the sealing performance can be a challenge. Failure to adjust the sill properly, day-to-day foot traffic, and even the house settling over time all contribute to upsetting the seal between the sill and the door. This can lead to uncomfortable drafts, humidity, and even water infiltration. Adjustable sills combat this challenge, but require manual adjustments to maintain that seal as conditions change over time. ZAC's spring-loaded cap automatically adjusts up and down every time you open and close your door, creating a perfect seal every time. Wide strike margins? No problem. The Z-in-base stiffened gaskets offer durable, no-fuss protection against water damage, even when the strike margins are tighter or wider than they should be. We've also included a weatherproofing beak to prevent water from wicking into the weather strip, ensuring a weatherproof seal starting from the sill. No door installation is perfectly plumb, level, or square, and even if it is, all door units settle and shift over time. No matter what life throws at your door, you can be sure ZAC will work to seal and protect your entryway every time you close your door.